when my limbic system is taking over,
Yes.
I deliberately put myself on check, knowing that, oh my God, this is going somewhere where it's not supposed to go, and this is not desirable.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then that is the reason I try not to hush that away.
Okay.
So I
Okay.
I
Okay.
went.
I
Yeah.
understood what you're saying. See,
Yeah.
whatever you said about the limbic system is was a pleasure to hear because it's very scientific. It's
Yeah.
accurate. Okay.
Yes.
So I
Yes.
like all that. What you're saying about the prefrontal cortex, the pineal gland, the basal ganglion, and all that ganglia.
Yeah.
It's fantastic. Okay. Now I want to tell you one thing, which is in fact one of the major problems all throughout that I have heard from what you said, which is
Yeah.
okay, in a young person, maybe it can also work this way to a certain extent in what you're saying. But in a young person, if you follow this thing, it will lead to suppression of emotions. I'm not saying that you if it's a very strong emotion, like for example for your father, suppose you are a yin person, okay, suppose you're a yin person. Yin means like me, okay, and you have you mean your limbic system is suddenly turned on in a very bad way when you hear of your mother, your brother, your father. Okay, I understand that these very strong emotions are suddenly stirred up. Fine, don't go there immediately. Don't go there immediately. Go there slowly. Okay, what I'm saying is, but it should, if it's completely stopped or suppressed, what you have is you have a festering wound, which will in a yin person, like me. Okay, it will slowly become like pus, and it will create a problem later. So that basic emotion which is causing such a big problem in you, slowly it has to be cut into little pieces with professional help, and it has to be faced. Those emotions have to be faced and resolved slowly, not all at once. I'm not saying do it all at once because it's very difficult. Okay, listen to me. No, I'm not finished. Wait. Okay, it has to be solved. Otherwise what happens is it leads to suppression of emotions first. Secondly, for a yin person, his intelligence and uh, his solution making capability arises from the emotions, because the emotions are the soul. Okay, uh, are the soul. So if those emotions are uh, the whole thing, like for example a person like Stefan, he's a yin person. Suppose you tell him no, don't go there, it's not going to work, then he's just going to be a robot with the solutions which is
Okay.
given by another
Can I
person.
can I actually say my bit of it?
No,
Since
you
you're
know, you
talking.
told me, na, Sindhu, na, you talked for
I
2-3 minutes.
understand
Na.
what
No,
you're
no, no,
saying.
let
Yeah.
me just one
Yeah.
more minute. See, I
Because
will.
we are not suppressing emotions. I'm
No.
coming to that.
Yes,
Yeah.
you can tell me. I understood what you're saying. I'm just telling you then you tell me
Yeah.
whatever you have to
Okay.
say.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
You can
Okay. Yeah.
always say it again and in a different way, not a problem. I'm just my response to what I heard and what I understood. I may not have understood correctly. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is that, so only once those emotions are cleared, no, in the limbic system or wherever those strong emotions lie, slowly but surely they are faced, only then the real solutions will come. 1 minute, I'm not finished. Only then the real solutions will come from the deepest part of you, and those solutions will be good solutions. But if you cover that up, if you don't go to the limbic system
Okay.
and you,
I'm not covering it up.
no, listen.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
not,
Got it.
when,
I got
see
what
when
you're
you were
saying, and
talking,
I
1 minute,
understand. Yes.
see,
It
just
makes
Sindhu,
scientific. Yeah.
just a few seconds more. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
See, when you were talking, I didn't interrupt. Now, see, you're behaving like Arnab Goswami on Times now. He will talk and talk, and he will not let the other person talk. Okay, but that he is doing it for a political
Amit,
purpose.
is it Amit Goswami? Amit?
Arnab, Arnab, Arnab Goswami on Times now. He's very famous in India.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, but
Okay.
he will outshout the netas, the leaders, the political leaders, and he will present his point of view, and he will mute them. Just now, at 9:30, I felt that okay, you might be calling me on Skype, but I said no, I must watch Arnab Goswami, because you know what he did to the neta? He muted him, and then he started talking. He said, "You
All
listen to
right.
me
So
now."
getting back to the
No,
point.
yeah,
Yes.
getting back. Listen,
Yeah.
listen.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
what I'm saying is, no, when you said now that, so keep the limbic, don't go there, because the limbic system, once you trigger it, then it will become very emotional, and then you will go away from the solution, right? So keep the limbic system away for some time, and let's go to the solution. One sec, yeah. So let's go to the solution. But what I'm saying is, for a yin person, that's not going to work. Okay, now you tell me.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, we are only talking about this in a temporary thing. It is
Yes.
not like taking the whole big picture into account. We are talking about only the solution, problem solving part of it, and we are only talking about a certain aspect of it. Now, the beginning of coaching, actually, we are actually going into all this. We are going into, okay, how was your day? How do you feel emotionally? How are you? Like, we are actually going into exploring more about how he is feeling, and how,
Yeah.
how, what is, we are exploring his amygdala as well, actually, at that point.
What do you
And
mean
what
by amygdala, by the way?
is that is the part of the in the limbic system
Okay.
that is controlling the
Okay.
emotions. Yeah.
Fine.
So now what happens is we are actually exploring that and how he's feeling, and we're getting a feeler of everything there. Now,
Yeah.
when he says something like, okay, you know what, I've had a horrible day, and this is, it was this so much on my mind and all that, we let him say, okay, so then, what is it and everything. So we let him to express everything, and then we say, okay, so having said that, and having gone through this and everything, so we kind of like empathize with that person and all that first.
Yeah.
And then, having said, is that your dog?
My cat.
Oh God.
Oh, my dog, na, he's waiting to say hi, Sindhu. Monto, Sindhu wants to say hi to you. One sec.
Hi,
Monto.
I want to see your cat also.
Yeah, I'll
Hello.
show you my cat. But first, this Monto has been waiting since 2 days to say hi,
Hi,
Sindhu.
Moncho.
Monto.
Hi, Moncho.
See, Monto, Sindhu is saying hello, Monto boy.
Hello.
Monto, come here. Monto, come. Sindhu wants to give you a shake hand. He's wagging his tail.
Yeah. Yeah.
Monto, see. See,
Okay.
Sindhu, just say hello, Monto.
Hello, Moncho. Okay. Hi. Okay. He's on the pillow and all that. What nice life, huh? Good
Yeah,
for
he's
him.
got a good life.
Yeah. And what about the cat there?
Oh, this cat, no, this girl, Stripes. 1 minute, huh? See this Stripes. Yeah, Stripes also
Hello,
wants to look
kitty
at you.
cat.
Yeah.
Hello.
She's not so intelligent. She won't understand you saying all that. But this Monto understands. Today Monto, no, I'll tell you what he did. I'll tell you just 1 second, Sindhu. It's okay, na? What he did, na? See, whenever I go, na, see, today I had to go for the tuitions, right? So I went to the, when I go, I take him out and I leave him on the street, because if I leave him inside the house, then he starts crying, And then when he starts crying, the neighbors complain and they come to fight with me, okay? So I leave him out for 7 hours, 8 hours, 9 hours, outside on the street, okay? So when I go on to take the rickshaw, no, till the when we reach the rickshaw stand, I say bye Monto, okay? I say bye Monto. But you know what? That is very traumatic to him. Why I tell him that is so that he knows that I've gone, so that he doesn't search for me, so that he continues playing and he continues doing whatever he feels like, So today, he knew that I was going to the rickshaw stand because carrying my bags and all, okay? He knew that. So he did not come up to me till the rickshaw stand. He stopped short of that. He a few meters away. And then I said, Monto, come. You know what? He's pretending that he has blurry vision and he can't properly see me and he can't properly hear me. He's pretending, and he went away. He went away because he did not want to face that bye scenario at all. Can you imagine what this fellow is? Itna brains. Yeah, he has got too much brains.
See, even he knows how to keep in check of his amygdala.
Yeah, it was totally amygdala. It was totally limbic system. He doesn't have a big prefrontal cortex.
Even he knows how to keep in check.
He's
Yes,
directly
good for
going
him.
from the
Good.
limbic system and amygdala.
Yeah, to the solution focus. Yeah, good for him. So, what was I
You're
saying
saying that it's
actually
a
before
temporary
that? Yeah.
thing. You're saying that first you just calm down the person.
Yeah, so we are actually going into that, actually how they are feeling, and we are actually getting them to talk about it a bit. And then after that, what we do is we try to actually talk about, we have something called clearing the space. So after we've spoken about all this and all that, then we talk about, okay, now are we ready now to go on to this session, whereby we are going to be focusing only on this particular topic, these goals and whatever. Are we ready for that? So so we actually take their permission also, so that we are um, aligned to it together and all that. And then and then he would say, yes, so we have your I mean, he has his permission. That means he is actually already in agreement with himself, and subconsciously that has an effect on himself, because he's trying to control himself, and I mean, not control himself, but getting onto another space where we need to take this session seriously, so that is one of those, the scientific methods or neuroscience methods also, which works with the brain. Hello, kitty cat. Okay.
Yeah.
So Yeah, so that is what we do. And then after that we turn off the phones and we say, okay, now we are going to just put this 1 hour aside just to concentrate on what we are talking about. And there is, we're going to put our emotions aside. We're putting your whatever else aside. So I would say that, and I would get the other person also to say it, so both of us are completely clear. And we have technically kept away that part of the brain, so that we can focus completely on this. So that is also a very it's like in a way like a suggestion hypnosis. It is like a neuroscience. It is, it's proven that it works
Okay,
like that.
now can I add to that? Okay, I understand what you're saying,
Mm.
and provided it's temporary, that's fine. But unless the
Yeah,
root
yeah,
root
yeah.
see, this is like giving brufen to the person. When a person has stomach ache, you're
Mm.
giving brufen and the pain goes. But we have to find out what is the root cause of the pain, of the stomach pain. It could be cancer.
See, that is completely a
Yes.
different thing. See, the thing is with coaching, it's normally like a 1 hour session in one
Yes.
week.
Yes.
Okay, so when this during this 1 hour session, you really need your 100% concentration into this, because it's you're going to be talking about your whole week, the actions during the whole week, and setting new actions and getting new thinking, so that you can create new actions, new habits, new
Yes.
strategies, and work
Yes.
around it. And finally, by the end of 3 months, you have to reach the goal. That is
Yes,
what
you
it
do.
is. Reach whatever the desired
Yes.
outcome is. So it is only a temporary phase, because after the coaching assignment, after the coaching
Yes.
period, you're back to your normal self, going to deal with
Yeah.
it and all that.
Yeah.
Okay, so that
Okay,
is
I
how it is.
understand what
Yeah,
you're
that's how
saying.
it
What
works.
you're saying is temporary,
Mm.
and this is what your coaching covers. Excellent. Okay, this is like you're doing
Yeah,
what a psychologist would do. Okay, but you're not
yeah,
doing what
yeah,
a
yeah, yeah.
psychiatrist will do. Understand? A psychiatrist
Mm,
will go
mm.
deeper and solve the root issue. I understand what you're doing
Yeah.
also works.
See,
Yeah.
because what we're doing
Yeah.
here is we're looking at three specific goals. It could be that, this person wants to get a different, like completely get a CEO's job, or
Yeah.
maybe his focus might be something, achieving
Yes.
something, in his life, which might be a big monumental task
Yes.
as well. And we have 3 months to be able to focus on
Yes.
this and work on
Yeah.
it, right? So this is a very, very specific
Yes.
situation. Now, there is also a different thing like a dilemma.
Okay.
Okay, when we are actually talking about a
Yeah.
dilemma that somebody is facing, and what happens is that in this dilemma, you are trying to get clarity about the dilemma. You're trying to get that person to have clarity about the
Yeah.
dilemma and try and work out a solution and all of those things. So there are techniques around that
Yeah.
also. But and that starts with current
Yes.
reality, like your current reality. You are exploring a lot
Yes.
of current
Yes.
reality, but we are trying
Yes.
to if it's a very, very emotional thing, I mean, we say, okay, so this makes you feel very emotional, am I
Yeah.
correct? Or this makes you feel really very fearful, or this makes you feel very thing. It is acknowledging that
Yes.
emotion during that current reality state. We are acknowledging whatever that person's
Yes.
feeling, and we are probably even like, being more intuitive and using our gut also to tell them what we are feeling, how we perceive
Yes.
what they're
Yes.
doing, yeah. So it's
See,
fantastic actually,
Sindhu, can
coaching
I just
is
add to, I mean, say something to that? What, see, yeah,
yeah,
this is what you're doing is very good. It works in certain situations wherein the person doesn't have a deep-seated problem. The person doesn't have cancer. Yeah.
yeah. It's not
Yeah.
psychotherapy.
Yeah, it is
It's
not,
not
it is not
psychotherapy.
Sigmund
We
Freud's
yeah,
psychotherapy. It is not Freud psychotherapy. You know, what I'm trying to say is that if, see, some people are simple also, they just need some coaching. Like,
yeah,
see, now Ritik Roshan, one minute,
yeah.
1 minute, this Ritik
This
Roshan now, he's
yeah,
got a wonderful life coach. He's got a wonderful life coach,
yeah.
and it's really helping him because he's going through a divorce or
Mm,
something, he's going through a divorce or something, and it's really helping him and he's hooked on it. So if the person doesn't have a deep seated problem, like I'll tell you, for example, me, in my case, this would not have worked in when I was in the UAE. You know why? Because there were big infrastructure issues that were causing a problem. Different country, loneliness, and all. And because of that, my brains also had reduced dystrophy. So I had
yeah,
to come to a new situation. I had to come to a situation where I was more comfortable. You know, which is India, Then I had to get my brains back to original level. For that I had to get into
yeah,
all
yeah.
those activities like painting, like trekking, music, learning, this, that, everything,
Mm,
meeting people again. I had to get into all that just to get my
mm,
neural networks grown back.
See, that is
Yeah,
exactly
See,
what
that
I
is
did
exactly
also.
what I did
Even
also
like,
when I
I
yeah,
came
was
here. I
completely
was like
gone and
completely
destroyed
gone and
yeah,
I
destroyed,
mean,
right?
after
I
this
mean,
Stefan's
after this
episode and
Stefan's
the
yes,
children and
episode
all
and
of
the
that.
children and
yes,
So
all of
what
that.
did I do?
So
I
what
went
did I do?
into
I
pranic
went into
healing.
pranic
yes,
I mean, that
healing.
is
I mean,
spirituality.
that is
I went
yes.
spirituality.
into
I went into
dancing. I went
Yeah.
dancing.
into,
I went
you
on
know,
to,
Trance
doing
music,
so many things.
huh?
trance
Huh?
music.
Yeah, trance
Yeah,
music.
trance
I mean,
music. I
I
mean,
I went to like, I
I
mean, I
went, like, I mean, I
completely needed to get a
completely
hold of
needed to
myself,
get a
and
hold of
I
myself, and
through
I went
all the fun
through
ways
all
that
the
I could
fun ways
really
that I
sort
could be
myself
able to
out. I
sort
went out
myself out. I went
socializing
out
parties.
socializing
Yes,
I
parties.
went out
I
to,
went out to,
I was, yeah,
I
dancing
was, yeah,
basically, then
dancing
coaching,
basically, then
I did
yeah,
this
coaching. I did
courses
this courses
and
and
yeah, varied
yeah,
things
yeah.
actually.
So
varied
you
things,
understand that
to
that
kind of,
also what I'm trying to say also at a deeper level also sometimes you have to work. What your
Yeah.
yeah that
yeah,
coaching
yeah,
which
yeah.
you're doing also has its place. It has its advantages, and the deeper level stuff also is required. You know, for
Yeah.
some people,
Yeah, yeah,
Absolutely,
not for everybody,
absolutely.
not
absolutely,
for everybody.
absolutely.
Only for the deeply damaged.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I mean, yeah. So
So,
it's
I
different
mean,
from
yeah, so it's different
psychotherapy,
from
basically.
psychotherapy,
Yeah.
and,
You actually
where
have to look
you
into the
actually
thing,
have
and
to
that
look
is
into the
where
thing.
you
And
also
that is
do
where, see,
counseling and all of those things,
counseling and
right?
all
I
of
mean, it
those
goes
things, right? I
into
mean,
the
goes
person's
into the
problems,
person's
and see, this is
problems. And
more like for
see, this is
normal
more
people who
like for
want to
normal
achieve
people
some
who want to
normal
achieve
goals
some
and
Yes.
stuff
This
normal
like
is
that.
goals
like
and
a
want to
life
think.
coach.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, this is life coaching,
This is life
Yeah, yeah,
coaching, what I
yeah.
do,
yeah,
no?
this is life
Yeah,
coaching
this is
or
life coaching
executive
or
coaching or
executive
corporate
coaching
coaching,
or
or it could
corporate
be any
coaching,
sort
or
of
it could be
coaching
any
actually.
sort
Yeah,
of
yeah,
coaching,
But it's
actually.
fantastic.
But
It
it's
really
fantastic.
works
It really works,
the
through the
neuroscience
new
approach. I mean,
neuroscience
that
approach. I
is the
mean,
best thing
that is the
actually. It's
best
like
thing, actually. It
it's
was
so
like,
scientific.
it's so
yeah,
scientific,
yeah.
So like that,
Mm.
and then your
So like that,
analysis
and
was
then your
also
analysis
excellent.
was also,
Yeah.
I
See, not
remember,
just about the
see, not just
psychophins, you
about the
also
psychophins, you
talking
also
about
talking about the
developing the left brain
developing
part
the
of it,
left brain part of
developing
Yes.
the
it, or
scientific part
developing
of
the
my brain,
scientific
right?
part of my brain,
Yes.
right?
So of my
So
scientific
of
side and
my
all that, which
scientific
I
Yes.
side
thought
and all
was
that, which I
valid
thought was a
point
valid
as well, and that's
Yes.
how I
point as
got
well, and
into
that's
all
how I
this
got into
Okay.
all
quantum
this
physics. I got
quantum
into
Okay.
physics. I got into the
neuroscience, and like so
neuroscience,
many
and,
Yes.
things, right?
like so many things,
Which is
right?
very
Which
good,
I
and
which is very
which
good,
makes
and
me feel
which
that I'm
makes me feel that
intelligent.
I'm
Yes.
intelligent.
No, that is also very important. Self-esteem, but also trekking, hiking, being close to nature. This is also very good for developing the left brain for you.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
what
Yeah.
I want to do
So
is
what I want to do
being
is,
close to nature.
being
Yes,
close
I
to
mean it's
nature.
one
Yes,
thing
I mean,
which
is one thing which,
probably I'm not very
probably
very.
I'm not
See, I
very
am close
very.
to
See,
nature
I
in a
am
way that
close to
I
nature in a
really
way that I
admire,
really admire,
like nature, and
like
when I'm
nature,
out there
and when
and I'm
I'm
looking
out
at a
there and I'm
flower or
looking
a
at a
butterfly
flower
or
or
whatever.
a
I mean, I
butterfly
do
or whatever. I mean,
admire
I
actually
Yeah.
do
nature,
admire. I really, really
Yeah.
being
like
close to nature and
being
all that.
close to
Maybe
nature
I'm
and all
not that
that.
much
Maybe
with
I'm not
nature,
that
but
much
Yeah.
with nature, but
but
you know, but
what I also do
what
is
I also do is,
like I like
like,
dance,
I
I
like
like this
dance. I
Tamil
like
folk
this
dance and
Tamil
stuff.
folk dance
I
or
mean, not
something.
all,
I mean, not all, I
Tamil
don't
folk
like
dance, but
Tamil
when
folk dance.
I'm here,
See, when
Yes.
I'm
I
here,
wanted to actually
I
learn
wanted to
Bollywood or
actually
hip
learn
hop or something,
Bollywood or
the
hip
Yes.
hop or
dance in which I
something,
was
right?
learning,
Dance in which I was
Yes.
and which
learning,
was okay and
and
all
which
of
was
that,
okay and
but
all
it
of
was
that,
more
and
like a
but it was
freestyle
more like a
dancing that I wanted
freestyle
to do.
dancing that I
Yes.
wanted to
But you
do.
know what?
But
Yeah.
you know what?
Strangely enough,
Yeah.
Strangely enough,
now after I
now
know that I'm
after
going
I
to the
know that I'm
Philippines,
going to the
right?
Yes.
Philippines, right?
I was like, no, I
I
can't
was like,
relate
no,
to
I can't relate
freestyle
to,
dancing. I can't
freestyle
relate to hip
dancing. I
hop
can't
and all
relate to
that.
hip hop and
I
all
need
that.
something that's
I need
really
something
very,
that's
very
really
Indian.
very, very
And so I'm
Indian.
actually
And so I'm
resorting to
actually
Tamil
resorting to
folk
Tamil
dance.
folk
Okay.
And you
dance.
know why?
And you
Because
know why?
that is
Because
going to
that
enhance
is
the
going to
Indian side of
enhance
me.
the
So I
Indian
can
side
go
of me.
back
So
to the
I can
kids
go
and I
back to
can
the kids,
actually
and I
be
can
able
actually
to
be able to
give them my Indian
give
self,
them my Indian
kind of
self,
give them an
Yeah.
kind
Indian
of give them an
influence,
Indian
which can
influence,
bring them
which
closer to
can
their
bring them
roots.
closer to their
Yeah.
roots.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
something like that.
So
Anyway,
something like that.
I don't know. I kind
Anyway,
of like
I don't know. I kind of
divert
like
from it.
think
Okay,
No,
divert.
you
then
didn't
you were
divert.
talking
Okay,
about
What you're
then you were
saying is
talking
what
about.
you were explaining about developing the left brain, which is very important.
yeah. So which is what
Yeah,
something
so
you
which
were
is
told,
what something you
Yeah.
were
and then
told.
also another
And then
thing is
also
that you
another thing
mentioned
is that
about
you
Jeremy
mentioned
and the
about
inner child.
Jeremy and the inner
Yes, that's
child,
very important.
you know?
Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
told
So I
Jeremy,
told
the last
Jeremy,
time we
the
Skyped,
last time we Skyped, which
But
was
he
like
three
won't
days ago.
understand. He won't
3 days
understand
ago.
like that.
Yeah.
No, no, no. Yeah, you know what he
He
said?
said, you know what, my
He said,
inner
you know
child will
what?
be
My
very
inner
happy
child
if
will be
you
very
leave me
happy if
alone
you
and let
leave
me
me
just
alone
watch
and let me
TV.
just watch TV.
He's speaking like Stefan.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
know.
Yeah.
I know.
You know
So
what he
anyway,
needs? He needs
So
an
anyway,
art.
he
He
was just
needs an art
joking, you know.
teacher, a good one. Like a not an Indian. You know
Mm.
what, Sindhu? I just saw this artist. This thing. One Mr. Mopasang Walit. He's a Malayali.
yeah.
His
Yeah.
watercolors on Facebook. I will just send you the link. It is very close to this Martina's and Morris's
Oh,
paintings. Yes,
Oh,
his is the
okay.
closest, and he's
okay.
all his scenes are in Kerala, a
Yeah.
roadside,
Yeah.
Kovalam, a rainy day. It's all men in lungis, munda, and women in. It's all that. It's very typical. But I'll tell you something. It's the best I have seen in India. Watercolors. It's the best. It comes the closest to the European way of painting. I'm not saying it's exactly there. If it was European, it would have been more gentler, softer colors, and there would be more light. Light as in the white of the paper would be seen more. But and I told him that. I sent him a message on Facebook. I first asked him, "Can you teach me watercolor painting?" But guess what? The Malayali side of him came out.
Oh.
Yes, this
Oh.
is where we differ, even though we have the best talent in the world sometimes. He is as good as anybody and he's
Yeah.
self taught. And he has a page on Facebook and he sells his paintings for 10,000, 12,000 rupees. And he has got art collectors forum for that. All those links I'll send you. And I'm sharing his paintings on Facebook as well, which is so he's got everything. But when I asked him, "Do you teach watercolor painting?" Guess what he said?
No.
The Malayali
No.
side of him came out. His chop, his fingerprints, he showed.
He said no. No.
He said
He
no.
said,
No.
I cannot teach watercolor. I mean, that was like, what are you doing, man? Here is a fan. Okay, I may never have learned from him because I'm in Bombay and he's in Kerala. Okay, I don't have the money. Okay, maybe it was not feasible. But that is not how you reply to a true fan, to a true student, to a and I told him that your paintings are close to this, from what I have seen. And I had taken some art classes, basic, from a German lady in Dubai. That I told him after he said no. To which he did not reply.
Oh.
To which he did not
Oh.
reply, Sindhu. He showed his Malayali side. This is the difference between us and European, Sindhu. That basic courtesy is missing, See, finally, I'm a lady.
Anyway,
I'm a lady. He can
leave
make
that.
out who I am from Facebook properly, I'm speaking to him so well, like a fan, like a student. This is not the way you
Anyway,
reply.
leave it.
Yeah.
Anyway, leave it. Yeah. Let's not
And
dwell
if
on
it is a
that.
European,
Yeah,
no,
I
Sindhu.
know. I mean,
No, I'll tell you, if it's a
Malayali is a
European.
Malayali.
One minute,
Yeah.
let me
So
just
going
tell you, if
back
it's
to
a
the next
Westerner,
thing, we.
they
Yeah.
will, even if I'm creating a problem, like I'm saying no, conditions are not suitable. See, I'm in Bombay and you're in Kerala. How I learn from you, they will only make the situation so that I can learn from them. Because they will be because they will want it to happen. They will. They can do, will do people there. Can do, will do. Here we are just looking for an excuse to say no. I mean, that was such a damp squib, wet blanket.
Did you tell him that?
Did
No
you tell him
way,
that?
I left him.
Did you
No,
give him a
Sindhu, he's a
feedback?
true blue Malayali. But I'll tell you something, his paintings are good. No question of that. But see the attitude, so what I'm saying is, even a gem of a person in
Attitude.
Kerala, you cannot relate to that person. Even if he's a gem of a person where his talent is concerned, you can't relate to the person at all. I mean, thank
Anyway.
God I didn't marry a
Yeah.
Malayali.
So anyway,
Yeah. Anyway, so leave it.
yeah. Anyway, so leave that part. Let's leave that
No, we
Malayali
can't
thing
ever
out.
leave it out, Sindhu. It is there
So
in our
yeah.
DNA.
No,
What I mean is let's not dwell on
No,
it.
I
Let's
was
go
just
into
telling
something
you. I was
happier.
just telling you.
Let's
I
not.
know. I heard it.
Yeah, I know.
And it's a
I
very
heard it. Now
interesting thing
let's
that I
leave it.
told you. Because
Yeah,
after so
Yeah,
many
yeah.
because after
Yeah, I
so
know
many
it's
years.
something that. Yeah, it's something that I already
Listen,
know.
listen,
It's something
listen,
let's
no,
not dwell on
after
the
so
bad
many
side so
years
much. Okay.
of going through so many paintings in India among
Yeah.
Indians like Goans. 1 minute, Goans.
No. Okay, it was nice, but
No,
he
no,
had a
Anjali.
Malayali
No,
attitude.
no.
Okay, got it. I got it. Let's
No, no.
change the topic.
Yes,
Okay, you
but
were
after
talking
going
about
through
the
so
other
many
thing. Yeah.
paintings of so many different Indian artists, then I finally.
Yeah, he was the best.
Yeah. And he was the
Yes,
best.
he was
Okay,
the
got
best.
it.
Yeah,
Huh.
okay, you told me that.
Yeah, okay. You told me that
No,
many
no.
times
So I what I
already,
to, so
Venus.
I
So
to,
I
what I
got
told
the
you was
point. I
something
got the
very
point.
interesting.
Let's leave.
I was telling you something very
But
interesting.
anyway,
Yeah. Okay. But anyways, no
No, it's
point.
not
He's
like
not
there's
doing
no
anything
point.
about it. So.
There is, I mean, it is the fact remains that he's a good painter.
let's not dwell on it.
Yeah. Let's not dwell on it and get the amygdala
It
hooked
is
onto this
Sindhu, but
negative
We
feeling.
maintain our
We
vibration.
want to maintain
Sindhu,
our
it's not
vibrations up.
negative.
We want
It's
to
not
kind of
negative.
be happy.
It's a matter of fact analysis of the reality.
Yeah, I know, but
Yeah, I know, but we don't have to dwell on it, is what I'm saying. Like, never mind. It's a
It's not
negative thing after
negative.
all. By If he's not teaching you, no, 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 leave it, leave it. It's not something that it's not a
Okay, then I'll tell
feel
you
good
something.
feeling.
In
That's what I'm saying. It's
everything,
not.
there is a negative and a positive. There is the duality is there in everything.
Okay, okay, leave it. You know what? Let's not dissect it so much. See, I was actually, why were we talking about this? We were talking about basically
Yeah,
answering your question, the
yeah.
inner child and all that. Okay, but I don't want to deviate too much from the topic. Like, I mean, okay, we deviate a little bit, but we come back to it, right? And what I mean is that we don't want to really negative dwell, especially when it's
It's
something
not
very
negative,
negative.
Sindhu.
Something very negative. No, what I mean is something which
It
is not
is
a
not.
feel good thing.
Why?
Because especially when this guy is
No,
not
it's
teaching
okay
you
if
and
he's
he's a
not teaching me.
Malayali and
It's okay
all
if
that,
he's
okay,
not
fine,
teaching
all
me. It
right,
is
it's
not
over, it's done.
negative. It is not negative. You're taking it as
Yeah,
negative.
it's okay.
Yeah, the Malayali side, no?
Yeah,
Yeah, the
so
Malayali
then so
side,
No,
no?
friend,
The
I'll tell you
Malayali
see,
side.
so
something.
friend,
How
Okay,
did
I'll
you
tell you
feel?
something.
Can you
How did
dissect
you
your
feel?
feelings when you were
Can you
talking about
dissect your
it? Did you
feelings when
feel
you were
very
talking
good
about
about
him? Were
it,
you
the fact
feeling
that
very
you were
good about
teaching
it, the fact that
him?
you were, he's
Obviously
not
not.
teaching you?
I mean, you were
Obviously
obviously
not.
talking
I mean,
about
you were
how
obviously
the
talking about
European
how
would
the
have said something like
European
this, which would
would
have
have
been
said
a much
something like
better
this,
thing, and
which
which
would
would
have
have
been
been
a
the
much
ideal
better
thing,
thing and
right?
which would
okay,
have
I
been
will
the
tell you.
ideal
Showing
thing,
his
right?
Malayali
But he
side,
was
and
showing his
Okay, I will
Malayali
tell you
side
what
and
I
he
was
was
feeling.
not showing
Okay,
his
I will
good
tell you what
side,
I
and
was
that
feeling.
was,
I
yeah.
will tell you what I was feeling.
yeah, never mind. You know what?
Yeah,
Let's
never
leave it
mind.
there.
Yeah,
You
see,
know what?
since you
Let's
Let's
leave
since
leave
it,
it there.
I
Venus. I don't want
understand,
to
but
dissect it. Yeah, please. Okay,
I
let's
can't
leave.
take it.
You
I
know
know
what? I
you
can't
can't take
take
it,
it
but see,
anymore.
you only
I
see
can't take
you
this.
just
You know
said.
what? Because
Yeah.
it's pulling me
You know
down
what?
here.
Because it's
I know,
pulling
I
me
know, I know.
down and I
Listen,
don't
listen.
feel good
I don't
about
want
it.
to pull
No,
you down, but
no.
since you mentioned how you were feeling,
Yeah.
I have to tell you, na.
No, I
You
don't want to focus on it too
No, I
much.
don't
yes,
want
you
to
don't want to
focus
focus.
on it too much,
I know.
You
See,
Venus.
know what?
Yeah,
I
you
want
know
to
what?
talk
I only want to
I
make
know.
things
Listen, listen.
positive. I only want to
I don't
talk
want to
about
talk
good
about
things.
See,
that.
but
I
it
don't
is
want to
not a
talk
bad
about
That's
bad
fine
thing.
things
though.
here,
But
Venus.
it's
I'm
not a.
sorry.
I'm
No, no,
not
no,
I'm not
no, no.
comfortable carrying on
I'm
this
not comfortable
See,
conversation
carrying
with
on
I'm
with
you.
this
not telling you to
conversation.
carry
Please,
on with
let's
this
move on.
You
conversation.
Okay.
were asking me
Yeah,
these questions.
you were asking me
Yes,
these
yes, I
things. No, I was
understand. Listen,
answering
but
it.
It's
That's
since
all.
over. Let's
Finished.
please leave it
I
It's
over.
know, I
over.
know,
Let's
but
please leave this
okay,
topic. No,
let's leave
let's
this
leave this
topic. Let's
topic.
leave
No,
this topic.
please.
But since you mentioned how were you feeling, let me just reply to that and then you close the topic, na?
Yeah,
Okay.
but it wasn't a good
Yeah,
feeling.
yeah, but it
It was
wasn't a
still you
good
were
feeling. I could
reflecting back
really,
on
No,
you
how
were
no, no,
reflecting
no,
not a
no,
not good
Malayali
feeling
side
when you
came
said
out.
this
no.
Malayali
Listen to me.
side came
Listen
out,
to me.
and
No,
so
see,
I
you're
just,
only deciding what I was
yeah.
feeling. Now that's not fair, na? See, I don't decide what
Mhm.
you're feeling.
No, where all the vibrations came
No,
from.
where on the
That's what
I
I
will
vibration
tell you.
wanted
I
scale
to
were
will tell
you?
you where the
That's all I
vibrations were.
need to know.
I
I
will
don't
tell
need
you
you
where
to
the
dissect your
vibrations were. Now
feelings.
you only
Where
decide.
was it good or was it bad?
Where was it
See, it
good
is
or
not
was it
about good
bad?
or
That's it.
bad.
That's enough.
It is neutral. It is
No,
complete. It is.
okay.
It
No,
So
is.
it's
every
neutral, it's over.
okay, okay. So it's neutral, it's over, then fine, finish. Okay.
Yeah, it's neutral. It's over. It's finished. But I have to tell you, it's neutral. It's not bad.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's
Yeah.
neutral. Okay. But
Yeah.
you
Okay.
know
So it's
what,
neutral.
Venus,
Okay.
I have to
But
tell
you know
you,
what, Venus, I have to tell you,
just
like,
reflecting back to how you
just
were saying
reflecting
it,
back
like
you how you
obviously
were saying it, like obviously the
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 European
um
was,
the European was, a much better, your expression and the way you're relating about the European as
and I
compared
don't
to a
want to
Malayali,
really focus
and I
too
don't want
badly
to
about a
really
Malayali because
focus
you know
too
why?
badly about a Malayali
Because
because you know
I am
why?
from there
Because I
and
am
I
from
am trying
there
to get
and
my
I
children to
am
see
trying
the
to get
good side
my
of
children to see the
Kerala and the
good
good
side
side of
of
India. I don't want to
Kerala and the
focus on
good
that
side of
side
thing.
and
I
I
don't
don't
want to
want to too
focus on
much
that side
get
and I
my
don't want to too
amygdala
much
towards this
get my
Malayali thing
amygdala
because then my
towards this
feelings
Malayali
start
thing
getting
because then my feelings
interconnected to
start
that and
getting
my feeling
interconnected with that
would
and
go
my
more and more
feeling
bad about
would
that.
go more
Okay.
and
And I
more
want to
bad
really
about
keep
it.
a check on
And I
that
want to
because I
kind of
really
keep a
want my
check on that
children to
because I
know their
really
roots
want my
and I
children to
want them to
know
know
their
it in a
roots and
positive
I
way
want them to
and
know
I
it in a
don't want to
positive
expose
way
them to
and I
these
don't want to
sort
expose
of
them to these
mentalities also
sort
which
of
is again going to
mentalities and all
reinforce
that, which
what
is
their
again
dad
going
has
to
been telling them
reinforce what
about
their dad has been telling them
Malayalam and
about
India and all that because right now they
Malayalam
have a
and India and
very
all that,
bad
because
picture
right
about
now they have a
India
very bad
and
picture
about
about India
Kerala
Sindhu, okay,
and
okay,
about
listen.
Kerala
I understand
and
what
all
you're
of
saying.
that.
Okay, it's
yeah
very
Yeah.
good what you're saying. You want to
Yeah.
present the good side of India to them. Okay, very good, very good. But right now they're not here. If they were here, I would not have told them this first. Okay,
no
listen.
I know but
Huh.
it's about
No, I know, but
influencing my brain
it's
also
about
you know
See,
influencing my
Sindhu,
brain
listen.
also,
Okay, okay, fine.
is, see, it is reinforcing that thought that, that
No, no,
okay,
Sindhu,
Malayalis are
one minute.
not good
See,
and
see,
this is a
okay.
Malayali side and all that. So okay,
Yeah.
we spoke about it. I don't want to
Okay.
again
Okay,
reinforce it.
listen,
I
listen.
want to
Yeah,
leave
okay,
it.
fine.
I
You
want to
want to
leave
leave
it.
it, but since you
Yeah.
only made the next point, see, I had already said neutral and I had left it. Now you only.
Okay.
No, yeah, yeah,
Okay,
but
so
you
it's
told me
neutral and
something,
it's
okay? You
finished.
don't want
Okay,
to be
go.
influenced by the negative side of Malayalis or Indians. Fine. Let me just reply to that, Sindhu. You can't be like a like that
Okay,
like the
okay,
North
okay,
Korean
okay. Not
leader.
like that. Yeah. No, you know why? It's
I
just that I don't
understand.
want to dwell on it,
I understand.
Venus.
I
I don't want to
understand,
dwell
Sindhu.
on bad things. That's why. So you say it
Sindhu,
and
Sindhu,
finish and get it
Sindhu.
over with,
I
and I
understand,
want to move
but
on from
you know
this.
what? In a
Yeah.
conversation, you're
Yeah.
behaving like Kim Jong. that North Korean leader.
Yeah, oh, okay, you know what? But because I have
Yes,
a
I
right to
understand that
what
you
I
have a
want to,
right.
feel. I have a
Yes,
right to what I want to feel,
listen,
and I
listen,
want to
Sindhu.
feel good only, Venus, because I want to keep my vibrations in check. I want to be on top of
Yeah,
it
yeah,
because that is
listen
the
to me, listen to me,
only
listen
way
to me.
forward.
See, when you have a conversation, no, when you say one last line, no, you can't say that you only have to have the last word. You have to let the other person. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
okay,
I
okay,
will just
okay. So
respond
get
to
to it,
that.
get to
I
it.
will just
Okay.
tell you, even the French people have got a good side and a bad side to them. Even the Americans have a good side and a bad side to them. All human beings have it. Okay. So yeah,
Okay,
so we can't tell
okay,
Jeremy and
yeah.
Gabriel that Keralites and Indians have only a good side to them, which they also won't believe. They also won't believe.
Okay. Do you think it's really important for them to know that they have a bad
They
side?
already know. They already.
Do you think it's really important?
Yeah.
Everybody has, you know what, Venus, my
Yeah.
focus here is that everybody has a good side and a bad side, but I want them to only see focus on the good side. When you keep focusing on the good side, even
Yes.
according to law of attraction, whatever it is that you focus on gets
Yes.
stronger and stronger in life, and everything
Okay.
else fizzles out. So that is the reason also why we need gratitude in our life so much. Like when you say that, if the number one law of the law of attraction, or number one way to manifestation is, and the simplest way is through gratitude. When you start being grateful for whatever it is in your life, then you know what, life starts making situations, more and more situations to be grateful for. So basically, when your focus is on whatever your focus is on, that is what, like, because like attracts like. That is the universal
Okay. Now can I
law of
reply to that?
attraction.
Huh.
Okay, so
Yeah.
yeah, so I want to actually get them to only focus on the positive side. If they're having a negative side, I want to, that is a different thing. If they have a negative reaction, then I will help them through it to a different way. But I don't want to tell them, what, Malayalis are so bad, and this is this and this and this. I would rather they derive whatever experiences they have, and perceptions they have out of their own experiences. If they are going to have bad experiences, I would rather, because I don't want my bad experience to color their vision. And besides, no
Okay.
two brains are
Fine.
alike,
Fine.
so
Now
we
can I
can never
reply to that?
perceive one thing. Yeah.
Okay. Now I don't. It doesn't matter
Okay.
to me. Whatever you say to your children, whether you say good side, bad side, that is, I'm not even
Mhm.
commenting on that. I don't mind. It doesn't matter to me. You bring them up the way you want. I don't even want to have a say in that. Okay. First thing. It doesn't matter how about you, whether you want to tell them about Keralites or don't tell them. It doesn't matter to me. Okay. That's one thing. Okay. That is
Okay,
one
okay, get to
point.
the point.
Okay. The other point, I'm just replying to what you said. Okay. Now, if anybody wants to
Yeah.
have a real conversation, a proper conversation, it is very important for you, since what I have seen from all these 4 5 years. Okay, now I can just tell you good things and nice things to you, but that is not going to help. I have to tell you what I really think. Okay, whenever you have a proper conversation with another person, you you have to have the strength and the immunity to face the reality. If in a proper discussion, both the sides will be presented. Okay, the reality and the good side. So you have to be strong enough, otherwise it won't be. One minute, let me just finish this one, let me just finish this. Otherwise it
Mm.
will not be a real conversation, it will be an artificial controlled conversation, which is a useless conversation. With that will be like the UAE, one minute, one minute, artificial environment,
Okay.
all air conditioned. Children don't get to experience the real earth, real nature, real life. Okay, similarly a proper conversation, the if you tell the person, no, 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 we should not be talking about all this, we should only talk about this. Any regular person, now see that if the person is from your group only, and then it's okay, fine, both of you think like that. But if you are speaking to any normal, regular, intelligent person, that is not one of the conditions of the conversation. You will never have a proper conversation like that, and a person who's a non sycophant will not want to have a conversation like that with you. Only one minute. Yeah.
Okay, you know
Yeah.
what? It also depends on the level of
Yeah.
level of that person as well.
Yeah.
How, I mean, for me, it is about, is it a positive, is it a neutral,
Yeah.
or is it a negative conversation, right? So it is also going to be the vibration that person is going to be at, that the kind of conversation that person's going to have. And that also will determine actually, what kind of how positive or how
yes.
negative or whatever it is, right? So so the thing is that I am actually able to be in control of what kind of stimulus and what kind of thing gets into me. Now if I feel that there is a certain conversation or there is a certain topic or there's a certain way or matter that is going into me, it's getting sinking into my brain,
Yeah.
and if it's affecting me in a negative way, I have the right to say no, I don't want to go through with
Yeah,
this
of course.
conversation like everybody
Yeah.
else, right? Yeah, so the thing is this is also about protecting
Yes.
your own
Yes.
energy body against something that you think that you cannot. This is against, again, the principle of like psychic attacks and principle of like trying to get
Yes.
negative stimulus and all that, which is going to affect you negatively.
Yeah.
That all that is
Yes. Yes.
to be taken into
Yeah.
consideration as well. Now so that is
Yes.
what is
Yeah.
my thing here, so
Okay.
I
Now
want
I'll
to
tell
be
you,
able to
and I'll tell you.
regulate that,
Yes.
to be able to regulate it in a way that I am able to withstand this. But anyway, I just don't want to be so clinical about it, because I went through all
Okay,
my
now I'll
thing and
just
I
tell you
don't want
one
to,
thing
like,
also.
anyway.
Okay, now what you're
Yeah.
saying about negative conversations is also true, but what is a real negative conversation also, I'll tell you. A real negative conversation is one in which there is a lot of gossip. It is not based on facts. There are a lot of rumors. There's only negativity. But a real, yes,
Okay, I'll tell you something, Venus. The negative conversation is about your feelings, how it, what kind of,
yes,
how it makes you feel.
yes,
It's at the end of the day, the conversation
yes,
is about how it makes you feel. It may
yes,
be very, very positive for you, but if
yes,
I am not feeling good when I'm hearing it, and if I'm feeling it's bringing me down and it's affecting me negatively, that to me is a negative
okay,
conversation. To you, it might be a positive
yeah,
conversation. But if I can't handle that, I will
okay.
have to strain it
I
and say,
totally
no, look,
understand what you're
excuse
saying.
me, I
It's
can't
very
take this
good, but
conversation.
what you're saying is in a very
Mm.
subjective way. It is not objective. Okay, now I'll tell you what. What you're saying is right. That conversation is negative for you. It's true. Okay, and you have every right to walk away. Excellent. But that in itself is not a negative conversation. You have to tell the person that you should not tell the person this is a negative conversation, because that person will be hurt by that. I'm not hurt by it, but generally a person. One minute.
No, see, I'll tell you something, Venus. I really did not say anything against the conversation. But then when we were dwelling on it and going deeper and deeper into the Malayali thing and the Syrian Christian and all of those things, then I said, look, I need to put a stop here because it's
Yeah.
not making me
Okay.
comfortable here. I'm
Okay.
not
Okay.
wanting
Yeah.
to talk like this. Okay.
Yeah.
So
No,
I was
I'm
only
saying.
telling you that, okay, like, okay,
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
heard you,
Yeah. Yeah.
out,
Yeah.
I heard your experiences, I understand it. Okay, I really completely
Yes.
comprehend it. But then that is where
Yes.
we
And
put a
I'll.
stop to it and move on to the next topic, because
Yeah.
this is
Now I'll
not
tell you.
getting
I'll tell
constructive
you
at
my
all.
reply to that.
So
Firstly, I
yeah.
was also ready to stop it, but then when
Mm.
you were having the last word, I just wanted to add to it. That was the only reason I continued. The moment you said you don't want to, I was not at all interested in continuing. First,
Okay.
secondly, this is not even related to
Okay.
this
Okay.
what I said about this particular conversation. And I'm talking about generally a conversation. A conversation objectively also you can
Mm.
see whether it is a really a negative conversation or a good conversation. Just because it is affecting you negatively doesn't make the conversation negative. Okay, the conversation is good conversation, but you're being
Mm.
affected negatively. Okay, one minute, let me just finish now. See, again and third time I'm trying to tell you this. Third time. Okay, now the conversation may really be a negative conversation in those cases, if it's about gossip, if it's about vulgarity, if it's about all those things. Okay, if it is not based on facts or anything, then it is really a negative conversation. But if it is a good conversation, objectively speaking, all over the world it is considered a good conversation, but you are being negatively affected by it, of course you can walk away. But don't label the conversation negative, because it may not be a negative and that may be unfair. 1 minute.
See,
Yes, from your point of
I'm
view.
saying it from my
So
point of
let me
view. Okay, negative
so let me
conversation
just
from
say that. So
my
let me
point of
just
view.
finish.
Okay,
Okay, then you
whatever.
have to make it clear
And
that I'm
yeah,
not saying the
okay.
conversation is negative, but I'm saying that for me it is negative. It is affecting me negatively. Now that is understandable. Okay, that's okay. Yeah.
Okay. All right. See, you know what,
No,
Venus?
no,
I
no, no.
really
It
don't
is
want to be
it is
so
not.
clinical about it,
No, no,
because
no. Okay,
again, we are
okay,
again
and
focusing
yeah,
on the
yeah, I
same thing.
understood. Okay, I
Okay,
finished
I
that.
got it.
Now
I
just one
got
more
the
thing.
idea. I got it.
Another thing is,
Yeah.
about little. I'm just telling you because see, over the last 5, 6 years, 10 years, maybe I'm telling you why I'm telling you this. This is not one conversation. This is every time. I'm seeing this common thread every time. And see, I can easily go
Yeah.
over it and not tell you that.
Yeah.
Okay, listen. and it will make you feel
Okay,
good
okay,
and
okay.
all
Yeah,
that.
come to the point.
Yes, it will make you feel good. So I can
Okay, come to
easily
the point.
get
Yeah.
over it and not tell you. But I'm telling you, I'm just telling you for your
Got
own
it,
good.
got it.
Because if
Yeah.
at all one minute. Yes, I'm telling you one. Yes,
Okay,
I'm
what are
telling
you
you,
telling
Baba.
me?
One
The
minute.
point.
Now,
Yeah.
I'm
Okay,
telling
tell
you
me
one
that then.
second.
No. Yeah.
No, don't lose your patience.
I'm
Don't lose
losing
your
my
patience.
patience
Relax.
here. Okay.
See, why I'm telling you is that even if you're able to take something from it, it will only be good for you. Okay. Okay.
Okay, I know why you're
I'm
telling
telling you
me.
the
Please
point. I'm
get to the
telling you the
point.
point.
What are
Wait,
you
the
telling?
point is for you may have to develop a little resistance and strength and immunity to reality sometimes. No, one minute. I'm not telling. 1 minute. Listen,
No, what is
Sindhu.
reality
Sindhu,
is what I perceive to be reality, you know. See, I'll tell
see,
you
Sindhu,
something,
I've
Venus.
not
My
even completed
reality
that
may
point.
not
You
be
just
the
give me a
same as
few.
yours.
Yes,
But you're not,
yes, but
I'll
I
tell
have
you
not
something.
given
When
the
you give
point.
one point, you
I know,
have to
but
let
let me
a
complete
feedback.
that point now. Let me give me a few seconds to complete it. I've not completed it. Let me give me a few. Yes,
I'll tell you something, Venus.
I'm
You're
not
very
aggressive.
aggressive about the way, that you
This
go
is
about things. When I say
no.
that I'm not comfortable, any normal human being,
Yes,
will just leave the topic.
Sindhu,
When
that
somebody
is what
says,
I can
like,
also do.
this is how it
Sindhu,
is. An objective conversation is like
Sindhu,
that. An objective conversation is like that. When somebody
Sindhu,
tells me, look, I'm not comfortable talking
Sindhu.
about this, and then they're like, okay,
You know
that's
something,
it.
Sindhu?
Then
That is
we
the easy
just
way
end of
out.
story.
Sindhu,
But nobody
that is
goes
the
back to
see,
analyze it again, the conversation, to
Sindhu.
say, this is how and this
Okay,
is what I'm saying.
listen.
No, I don't need any lessons.
Yeah,
Anyway,
we'll stop.
Venus, I think, what,
Okay,
we'll
we'll stop.
stop
You just
this
listen.
conversation because,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, because you know what?
Yes.
I will tell you the object of this conversation in the
Yeah.
beginning itself was actually to
Yes.
tell you
I
about
understand.
your us to answer
Yes,
your
this has
question.
gone far
And this
beyond it.
has
And
gone far
let me
beyond it,
just
and it's not a constructive
yes.
conversation. And I'm sorry
No, I don't
if
want to
we want to
continue with this.
continue with this. I don't want to continue this
See.
way
I
because
know
I'm
you're
not
not seeing
seeing
this
this constructive
constructively.
at
One
all,
sec.
actually.
You can stop the conversation. Not a problem.
Because
Yes,
you
yes,
should
yes.
actually draw the essence of a
Yes. Let me
conversation,
just
not
tell
try
you.
and be
See,
clinicalize
Sindhu.
it.
See,
You're
Sindhu.
not
Yeah.
drawing the essence of the conversation and the content and
Yes. But
the intent of the conversation. You're trying to
No.
dissect
I've never
every
told you this, even
conversation,
though this
the
was
way
the
that you
whole
want to
thing over
dissect
the
it.
last 10 years, even with when you're talking to other people, also probably what I heard from what you're talking to other people and when you're talking to me. Now it's very easy for me to just listen to
Okay.
you and to stop it. Okay, that's the easiest thing, and that is what everybody will do. Because see, you're not letting me complete.
See, Venus, every time you've told me
Yeah.
that, look, I don't want to discuss something, right? I've immediately stopped it. I've never gone ahead with it. But you have been
Yeah.
insisting to clinicalize it, to be able to go into the thing and
Yeah.
basically to dissect it and everything. And, I mean, you're not giving the person the
Sindhu,
freedom, and you're not giving the
I
autonomy
stopped it. No,
to a person
See,
to
yeah.
decide
Sindhu, see,
that, when you're not comfortable with
yeah,
something.
listen.
So I'm
But I
sorry,
stopped
this
it.
is
See, when you told
completely
me to
a
stop
very,
about that.
yeah.
So what I'm
Okay,
trying.
so what is it
Yeah,
now?
we'll
What
stop.
next? Okay, we stop the
No. I'm
conversation.
not
What next now?
clinicalizing
Don't
it. So what I'm
clinicalize
trying
it
to see, you're
anymore,
not listening to me. What I'm trying
Okay.
to tell you is that anybody, will now when you tell them to stop right now, anybody will. It's easy for a person to agree with you. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, but
You're
I'll
not
tell you
letting me
something. What
complete now.
point are you
See,
proving here, Venus?
when I'm
What is the point you're trying to prove here? Are you trying to go
no,
against my
no,
desire and my interest and
no.
my will and my
See,
wishes
no,
to actually try
not
and
at all.
force yourself on me? Is that what
No.
it is? Then
Yes,
why don't you
I'm
just
letting
let the
it go, but
conversation
you're not
go?
allowing me that few seconds to Sindhu.
Okay, leave it, Venus. I'm
Bye,
sorry.